Have you ever wondered how to grow your own peppers from store-bought ones? Imagine having a constant supply of fresh, homegrown peppers. It's not only beneficial for your health and wallet, but also remarkably simple. Growing your own peppers is not only rewarding but also incredibly simple. First, you're going to need a few things. A ripe pepper is a must for viable seeds. Next, quality potting soil and a pot will provide a nurturing home for your plant. Lastly, find a sunny spot to ensure proper growth. Once you've got all your materials ready, you're set to start the process. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and in this case, that step is preparing your seeds. Start by slicing open your store-bought pepper with care, revealing the precious seeds inside. Gently remove these seeds, ensuring none are left behind. Once gathered, it's crucial to clean them under a soft stream of water, washing away any residual pepper. Then, pat them dry or let them air dry. This careful preparation prevents disease and promotes better germination. With your seeds prepared, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now comes the exciting part, planting your seeds. Let's dive right in. Take your pot filled with soil and make a small hole, about ½ inch deep. This is the perfect depth for your pepper seeds. Carefully place the seed into the hole and gently cover it with soil. Now, find a sunny spot for your pot. Peppers love sunlight and need about 6 to 8 hours of it daily. And there you have it. Your seeds are now ready to grow into beautiful pepper plants. Just like that, you've embarked on your journey to grow your own peppers. Let's quickly revisit the steps: gathering your materials, preparing the seeds from store-bought peppers, and finally, planting those seeds. Watching your peppers sprout and grow is a joyful experience, but remember, patience is key. Growing peppers can take a bit of time, but the rewards are worth it. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy, fun, and rewarding gardening tips.